Welcome students to the next session. In this session, we will discuss about the archaeologists who contributed for the discovery of Harappan civilization. We will discuss about Alexander Cunningham and his confusion, John Marshall, Sir John Marshall. Next is R.E.M. Wheeler. R.E.M. means Sir Robert Eric Mortimer Wheeler. He was a British archaeologist. When the Harappan city fell into ruin, the people gradually forgot all about them. But after so many years, men and women, they started to live in those areas. They do not know what to make with the strange artifacts that occasionally surfaced, washed by the floods, exposed by the soil erosion, sometimes turned up when they plow the fields or digging for the treasure, etc. Cunningham was the first Director General of ASI. ASI means Archaeological Survey of India. Archaeological Survey of India. He was the first Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. He appointed as the Director General. He started his excavations in 1850. That means the mid 19th century, 1850s. He is considered as the father of Indian archaeology. Archaeologists of that time preferred the word documents as a guide to investigation. Right? उस टाइम जो उन लोगों ने बुक्स वगैरह रीड करके उसको हेल्प लेकर के इन्वेस्टिगेशन दिलाते थे. And this Cunningham, Alexander Cunningham, he was totally interested in later as well as early historic period. Later historic and early historic period. That is why he accepted or he selected the accounts of the Chinese pilgrims, those who visit India between 4th and 7th centuries. Right? And he documented, collected, translated the inscriptions during his survey. Even the artifacts of Harappans also reached him. But he has no interest in that because he not noticed. Because of his specific purpose, now he was just only about this 4th and 7th centuries. He missed the importance of these seals and artifacts, etc., which reached to him. One story also, example also has given in a textbook, that once an Englishman gave a Harappan seal to him. He just noticed, but he unable to recognize it. Unsuccessfully tried to give a place. Why? Because like others, he also believed, this Cunningham also believed, Indian history began from the four cities of Gangavali. But as you know that he missed the importance of Harappa because his belief Indian history starts from the first cities of Gangavali. Harappan age was much earlier than this. This person missed the things. He was so confused. Right? Then now आपको मन में एक डाउट आएगा कि सिर्फ कैसे कौन लेके आया Harappan city को limelight में? Who has brought this Harappan city in the limelight? Who was that archaeologist? Now we are moving into that topic only. Dayaram Sahi, Indian archaeologist, Dayaram Sahi. He got a seal. He excavated the Harappan site and he got a Harappan seal from there. And these seals were identified definitely much older than the historic level. Means early historic level से भी आपको ये देखकर के पता चल गया. And same as it is another archaeologist, Rakhaldas Banerjee. He got the same seal from Mesopotamia. So Mesopotamia as well as Harappan से same seal आपको मिल गया, isn't it? And it led the assumption of that these two archaeological sites were under one archaeological culture. This totally clear हो गया. ये दोनों different archaeological sites were a part of same archaeological culture. Based on this invention or discovery, the then डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ ASI, उस टाइम का डायरेक्टर जनरल है, आप उसका नाम है सर जॉन मार्शल. In 1924, he declared to the world about the new civilization in Indus Valley. In such a way, आ गया. Apart that, the same seal also found in Mesopotamia. Then they excavated there, they found the same seal. These findings, we can say that in this, not only new civilization came into limelight, but everyone knew about this civilization. Indus Valley is also a contemporary of Mesopotamia. Understood? This Marshall का जो period है, that is considered as the major changes. मतलब that is a good time for the Indian archaeology because major changes happened. He was an expert, professional archaeologist also. He had an experience of Greece excavations, Crete and Greece excavations. Isn't it? But एक ड्रॉबैक भी है. पूछेंगे आपको ड्रॉबैक्स क्या है करके. वो एक्सवेट करते थे हॉरिजॉन्टल वे. 1 यूनिट अगर निकाला गया हॉरिजॉन्टल में एक्सवेट करेंगे तो वो स्ट्रैटिग्राफी को कभी मतलब माना नहीं है. स्ट्रैटिग्राफी मीन्स है कि जो रॉक लेयर्स 10th क्लास में आपने पढ़ा है जो क्या किसके बारे में, फॉसिल्स के बारे में. जो डीप में से फॉसिल मिलेगा तो हम उसको बोलेंगे कि ओल्डेस्ट फॉसिल. ओल्डेस्ट थोड़ा ऊपर मिलेगा तो बोलेंगे ओल्डर फॉसिल्स. ऊपर मिलेगा सरफेस के जस्ट नीचे मिलेगा तो बोलेंगे रीसेंट फॉसिल्स. स्ट्रैटिग्राफिक है मीन्स रॉक्स लेयर के अकॉर्डिंग. He was never considered like that. अगर suppose he he digged one place, excavated one place in a horizontal way, he collected all the artifacts, whatever he recovered from that area, those area, he collected together. So importance is totally, he missed the importance. Because we can say that it means all the artifacts found at the same unit he grouped were grouped together. एक यूनिट से मिलेगा सबको इकट्ठा रख दिया उसमें, ग्रुप बना दिया. And as a result, valuable information about this that is missed. Information about the context of the findings is irretrievably means हम इसको recover नहीं कर सकता. That lost. We are unable to recover. Importance. Isn't it? But next जो R.E.M. Wheeler means Sir Robert Eric Mortimer Wheeler, and he totally changed that idea. He understood the necessity of the stratigraphic study. That is why when this R.E.M. Wheeler appointed as the Director General of ASI in 1944, he started in another way. स्ट्रैटिग्राफिक स्टडी के अकॉर्डिंग उसने करना शुरू कर दिया. एंड ही वाज एन एक्स आर्मी ब्रिगेडियर आल्सो. ही बॉट अ प्रिसिशन मींस मिलिट्री प्रिसिशन आल्सो, टेक्नोलॉजी आल्सो इन आर्कियोलॉजी. मतलब इसका मतलब तीनों ने हमारे को इंडियन आर्कियोलॉजी में कुछ ना कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया गया है. अगर पूछेंगे कंट्रीब्यूशन के बारे में आप बहुत सारे लिख सकते हैं. R.E.M. व्हीलर का और जॉन मार्शल का, कनिंघम का, राइट. एंड लेकिन जब पार्टीशन हो गया इंडिया 1947 में, पार्टीशन होने के बाद मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ दिस रीजन ऑफ मतलब बिकम द पाकिस्तान रीजन, मतलब मैक्सिमम पार्ट पाकिस्तान में चला गया. बट इसमें एक प्लस पॉइंट क्या होता है, वी ऑल्सो गॉट अ चांस, इंडियन आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट ऑल्सो गॉट अ चांस टू एक्सवेट एंड स्टडी अबाउट दिस रीजन्स. बाकी जो बच गया हमारा अपना यहाँ पर बच गया उस रीजन में उसने स्टडी कर दिया. बहुत सारे एरिया दे फाउंड ऑल्सो लाइक कालीबंगन राजस्थान है ना, और लोथल ऑल्सो क्या बोलेंगे, अभी रिसेंटली आपका धोलावीरा भी इसका बहुत सारे एग्जीबिशन कर दिया, बहुत सारा फाइंडिंग्स है। और आपका राखीगढ़ी हरियाणा में है ना, कालीबंगन बोल दिया मैंने ऑलरेडी, इजंट इट? ये सब कुछ उन्होंने रिसेंटली डिस्कवर्ड एंड एक्सप्लोर्ड एक्सकवेटेड आर अ पार्ट ऑफ दीज एफर्ट्स, प्लस fresh explorations also continue. Or since 1980s, many international archaeologists also joined with the Indian archaeologists. They are also having the interest in Harappan and Mohenjo-daro. Now, many archaeologists, international organizations also, they started with a joint venture. They are studying the remains of the pots and whatever it is, means artifacts, plants materials, remains of the plant materials, animal remains, pottery, ornaments, इसके बारे में स्टडी प्रिसिशनली मिला, जो वेरी एक्यूरेटली दे आर स्टडीइंग, isn't it? And they are preparing the reports. Might be these explorations promise to yield interesting result in the future. हो सकता है हमारे को फ्यूचर में बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट है जो मोहनजोदड़ो के बारे में, आपका हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन के बारे में मिलेगा, राइट? Next is problems of piecing together the past. Harappan scripts helps the archaeologists to find a new civilization. In the same way, the material remains also help the archaeologists to reconstruct the Harappan culture or life. The materials like metals, toys, ornaments, tools, apart that organic materials like clothes, wood, reeds, this will decompose also. And they classified these materials as the simple one and the complex one. Isn't it? The metal and stones, the Benawa items, is of course simple one. And the complex one is already we understood about the tools and ornaments, etc. The complex one. And sometimes these archaeologists found certain objects which may have had a certain significant religious significance. Example also given in the book, which also has given that this included terracotta figurines of women heavily jeweled with elaborate headdress also. People believe that Harappan people might consider it as the goddess of fertility of land. They worshipped this goddess figure. One seal also found that depicts the male god. 3 horns are shown on the head, and it has shown as seated as one leg crossed as a yogic posture, sometimes surrounded by animals, 1 buffalo and 2 deer, and also shown near by this picture. You can see in the textbook. This may be some archaeologists suggest that this may be depiction of the Pashupati, lord of animals, Shiva linga also they got. Seals also, and some seals linga also yogic posture, yogic also they have seen. These archaeologists are suggesting that they believe or they worshipped that age they worshipped the Shiva and all. But this argument also regarding this, because in Rig Veda, Rudra, Shiva never considered as Pashupati. Pashupati means the lord of animals or yogi. Never considering. So these archaeologists जो argue किए हैं, and they are considering this yogic posture might be or may be considered as the shaman. Shaman means what is the meaning of shaman? Shaman are the people those who are claiming that we are having the magical powers. We are able to heal the things. We are able to talk with the other world like that, isn't it? So might be shamans. So दोनों आइडियाज अब बोलना है, शिव का भी बोलना है, शामन का भी बोलना है. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट का आर्ग्यूमेंट है, वॉट एवर इट इज, वी आर नॉट नॉन अबाउट द रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिसेस. अगर एग्जाम में पूछा रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिस के बारे में तो आपको ये लिखना है, रिलीजियस कस्टम के बारे में बताएंगे, गॉडेसेस के बारे में बताएंगे. एंड ऑल्सो जो आपका यौगिक पोस्चर एंड पशुपति के बारे में बोलेंगे, आर्ग्यूमेंट्स के बारे में बताएंगे, शामन के बारे में बताएंगे. अपार्ट दैट सम seals also found that trees and animals, worshipping trees and animals, having the evidences, they worshipped trees and animals. One seal found there depicts that one god is seated between the branches of people tree, and one horn animal, one horn is unicorn. मोहनजोदड़ो पिक्चर में भी है यूनिकॉर्न, isn't it? One seal also found that one picture of bull. All these indicate that these people, the Harappan people, they worship the nature, plant or animal, etc. This much only we are having the knowledge about the religious practices. If they are asking, question will ask about the religious practices, 100% you have to say like religious customs regarding that goddesses, women goddesses with the heavy jeweled headdress etc. फिर मेल गॉड के बारे में बोलने के टाइम आपको यौगिक स्ट्रक्चर बोलना है, वन क्रॉस लेग वाला बोलेंगे, शिवलिंगा के बारे में बोलेंगे, एंड आर्ग्यूमेंट्स भी कहेंगे, शामन का भी कहेंगे. देन फिर वर्शिपिंग ऑफ ट्रीज एंड एनिमल्स में बुल का बताना, यूनिकॉर्न का बताना और पीपल ट्री के बारे में बताना. राइट, विद दिस वी कंक्लूड द चैप्टर. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. It is my humble request once again, last appeal to you for this chapter. Read the chapter once again completely. Listen the video once again. If you are unable to understand, please mark the points and ask me again. And next class, I will give some answers I will send you, and some assignment also I will give you. And the next Tuesday, I will give a test to you. टेस्ट ऑफ वन वर्ड्स ओनली. राइट, फिलहाल वन वर्ड से फिर स्कूल खुलेगा तब वो बता देंगे. लेकिन आपको प्लीज डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम, यू हैव टू लर्न प्रॉपरली. राइट, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.